Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to search by view count on YouTube. So we're using the YouTube Studio, and it's preferable to use the one on the web or the desktop. Yeah, don't use the app. The app won't really do what you want to do. So the next thing you're gonna do is go to log into your web, studio.youtube.com, sign in, and once you're in, tap on content by the left panel. And then you go to the videos. You should have a list of videos. I only have one video, so you have a list of videos. Next, you want to remember, we want to search by view count, so you tap on the filter, and then you can see views. Sorry, let's go back. Filter, you see views, tap on views, and then you can set the count. You want it to be greater than or equal to the value you want. If it is by 10, you tap on 10. Then here you determine if you want to be greater than or equal to the number or less than or equal to the number. You decide the option, then you click on apply. And to show you the videos that fit that category. Hope you found this video helpful.